Standard 6, Subject English, 1.3, The Wild Boar and the Fox. Page number 9. Find at least 3 suitable objects for each of the following action words. ज़ैल के हर फेल के लिए कम से कम 3 मुनासिब नाम बनाओ. Write a letter, a story, a book. Decorate a stage, a home, a hall. Paint a picture, wall, a box. Draw a line, a picture, a map. Play cricket, games, trick. Open the door, your mind, a shop. Close the eye, the window, the umbrella. Wash clothes, the mouth, the dirt. Polish the shoes, the belt, your knowledge. Throw the lift over a stone, a ball. Catch a ball, this mango, a train. Break the rule, a stick, a bottle. Pour tea, drink, water. Fill a bucket, a drum, the stomach. Cut an apple, a finger, a paper. Thank you.